want it.
What? What happened?
Mom said I shouldn't eat too much sweet.
If you can't eat a lot of it, eat some sweet at
I
least.
still don't want it.
Please take it.
I don't want it, Ojas.
Please have it for my sake.
No way, I want my garland.
Why did you snap at me? If you want your garland, let's get it and share it.
My garland is on the goodie.
You still haven't taken the goodie down. Let's take it down together.
No, Mom said she will take it down herself.
Neha, you're just too much. You shouldn't keep the goodie out for so long.
Friend? Friend?
Bye, Pari.
Bye, Ojas.
Hi! Oh my goodness! Look at you! Looking so sweet. You're looking so cute.
Pari,
Neha, this is not done. You're so late. You should have told Pari. She's been waiting for you for so long.
hey, I was too busy to notice the sunset, so I got late.
You should have noticed it. Oh, since you're late, you should get some punishment.
Okay, then I accept whatever punishment Pari gives me.
Good. What's the punishment?
I'm really angry right now. So don't even try to calm me down.
Pari, I'm really sorry. It won't happen again. I promise.
Don't be like that. You shouldn't be so angry with your mom.
I should be. And I am angry.
You know what? Since Pari is angry, does it mean I can take this sugar candy garland home?
No, it's my garland.
Maybe you don't want it because you're angry. I'll keep it.
No way.
Bye then.
No,
Okay, I'm going.
listen. No.
Aunt, sorry, I guess I was very late.
It's okay, Neha. I know. You're having a tough time. But Gudi Padwa means a new start. A new home, new relatives, and old relationships through a new lens. You will have to take the old and new in the same stride. Look, Neha, it is impossible to erase one's past. But we have to move on in our lives. Here is your chance to make a new beginning. Just look at that, look at that. Your joy is right in front of your eyes.
Miss Shefali, you might fall through that screen. I'll let you take that desktop home.
Okay.
Miss Shefali!
Sir!
What are you doing? It's a desktop, not a laptop.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
So sorry, sir.
The office rules say that you must use the office computer only for office work. Don't you know that, Miss Shefali?
I know.
What were you staring at?
Nothing at all.
No. I want to know what you were staring at.
I wasn't really staring, sir.
Let me see it.
Sir.
Why are you staring at Mr. Sameer's photo? He isn't worth 5 billion.
I don't care.
But he's got a heart of gold.
You don't do your job properly and now come up with stupid explanations.
Don't you scold me for no reason. I'm working right now.
You don't work, Miss Shefali, you avoid work. If someone asks me for reports, what will I answer them? I don't care. I want all the reports in an hour. Prepare the reports quickly. I'm in my cabin.
Fine.
Come in. I'm sure you will enjoy working in our Mumbai branch.
I so wanted to visit this branch.
Excuse me, everyone. I want to speak to...
Sir, did you need anything?
I said, excuse me, everybody. Let everyone be here.
I saw your Gudi Parva pictures yesterday. You were looking cute in that attire I gifted you.
Thank you.
You were looking smart, handsome, stunning, attractive. You were looking really very hot.
Charulata, would you please stand aside?
Okay.
I want to speak to all of you. Okay, so meet Miss Charulata. Today she has joined our company. Sorry, she joined long ago, but she joined this branch today.
Hi.
Charulata has been working with us for many years now. She was in Pune earlier. I have known her since she joined us in Pune, right? And she will be replacing Neha in this branch, okay? She's perfect in her job. You give her any task, she finishes like that. So Charulata will be with us from now on. She's very efficient and...
Sameer, can I make a request?
Tell me.
Don't introduce me so formally. They'll find out the rest once I talk to them.
Okay. So Charulata will be working with us from now on, okay?
I have already saved you a lot of time. I have proven that I'm efficient just as you call me.
I know. You are brilliant. So I got you. Give it to me, Suresh. It's not a reward. The company iCard.
Hey,
Hey, clap.
thank you so much.
Once again, welcome.
Yeah.
Come on. I'll take you to your desk.
Okay.
Get back to your work.
Yes.
Come on. So, Charulata, this is your desk.
Wow, nice.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
It felt so nice. Okay?
Yes.
Please carry on. See you.
Is she his childhood friend?
What's the matter?
She seems to be your childhood friend.
Ooh. Charulata? No, she isn't. But we have worked together for years, so we are close.
Why did you hug her when you greeted her? Tell me.
Get back to work, guys.
Gosh. Uncle, you check this bundle, I will check this.
We'll find it if we work together. We'll find a good poem.
Yes.
The sea link construction begins.
Uncle,
Huh?
don't read the papers. Why did we bring these papers here? To find a poem.
Right. Yeah.
Uncle, Pari, what's going on? Are you making paper boards?
No, Mom.
Then?
There is a poem reading competition in the nearby Ganesh temple.
Wow.
I'll go there with Aunt. Aunt asked me to participate.
Pari will participate and win the competition.
First, we need to find a poem.
Oh.
Mom, I need a nice poem.
You know so many poems.
I don't.
That one, oh rabbit, you look cute. Let's travel to Uncle's village.
Everyone knows those poems. I want another poem. Okay?
Fine, fine. Uncle and you should find that. I'll get back to my work.
Yes.
Okay? Pari, come on. Sit there.
are you injecting this needle into a little girl?
Uncle, this happens every day.
Why?
Uncle Bandu, I do it to make mom strong.
Really?
My mom is always crying. I want to take an injection every day, or else mom won't stop crying. She still cries while giving me injection.
If you feel like crying, why give her an injection?
Pari has diabetes. I have to do it every day.
Really? It completely slipped my
Uncle,
mind.
let's find a poem.
Yes, dear. I'm
You're
on it.
wasting time.
Oh.
Pari is really serious about it. Pari, I'm going, okay? Don't trouble Uncle.
Okay.
I'll think about your poem on my way to work.
You have to look after Grandpa, right? If you think about poems, who will look after him?
My Pari is so sensible. Oh goodness. I hope Grandpa will accept her at the earliest.
Ma'am, do
Look,
you need anything?
I was here to make tea for Grandpa.
If Simi ma'am finds out that you made tea, then she will fire us from our jobs.
You don't worry, nothing will happen. But if I take the tea made by you to Grandpa, then he will get angry on me. Don't worry, I will make tea. You just tell me where are the ingredients. Will you give me tea powder and
Yes, I
sugar?
will.
Where do you stay?
I stay in the servants' quarter, madam.
And you?
I stay in Kopoli.
But how do you travel?
I come on the two-wheeler by taking the old highway.
Who all is there at your home?
My husband and my daughter. She's 6 years old. We just enrolled her in first grade.
All right.
Hi.
Hi. Why is Shefali calling? One moment, okay? Hello? Yes, tell me, Shefali.
How is Grandpa now? And for how many days you will stay there? When are you rejoining office? Do you know about the workload?
Shefali, what's the issue?
Another girl. She joined in your place.
So?
What do you mean? Samisa knows her. He feels that she's very efficient. So he's busy explaining the job to her. And the height is that she addresses him very formally. Tell me, one should address their boss as sir, right?
Hey, why are you worrying? She would be knowing Samir sir since before. And you know how Samir sir is, right? He speaks so nicely with everyone. But he doesn't take gifts from everyone. And he never wears a kurta given to him by everyone.
I know it. Do you really think that he feels something for me?
Now, how can I tell you that from here? Alright, listen, Shefali. Do you know a poem? Pari is participating in a competition. She has to recite a poem. And I have no clue. Any local poem will do.
Local poem?
Alright, leave. We shall talk later. I'll hang up now.
Middle class people will remain that way. She wants to toil in the kitchen even when there are so many servants. Yash has got the perfect girl as his wife. She will be in the kitchen after coming home. She won't sit on my head.
Which poem do I give Pari? I cannot remember any poem when I need it.
Hey, what is this? You got burnt, right?
Aunt, it's nothing. It happens daily.
Why do you have to work in the kitchen when we have so many servants?
I wanted to make tea for Grandpa.
But you should tell our chef. Chef, what are you doing? Why did you not make tea?
I only told them. If we make food for our people with our own hands, then the food becomes more tasty.
Oh, is it? But then what to do? Do about burning one's hand?
No, Aunt. Actually, the mistake is mine only. I was lost somewhere. Pari has actually participated in one competition. It's a poetry competition. I was thinking about the poem and so.
Her mother's heart is always engrossed in every small matter of her kid. Don't worry. I'll see what needs to be done.
Uncle, I could not think of even one poem. All the papers are finished. Now what to do?
What to do? Even I have no clue, dear.
Uncle, how will I win the competition now?
We shall find out some way, okay? I will think if I can remember any poem, okay?
Did you remember?
Yes. Green, green, green rugs. Green, green, green rugs. Green, green. People become happy during the month of Shravan. Green, green, green rugs.
What are you doing, Uncle?
I'm trying to remember, dear.
Almighty, please remind Mom at least one poem.
Good morning, Grandpa.
Good morning, good morning.
Your tea.
Only this much tea?
Grandpa, I had told you, right? You will get only one sip of tea and you won't get again. That's it.
All right. I will consider this as a sweet.
Tell me once you are done drinking tea, I'll give you medicine.
Wow.
Why are you smiling, Grandpa?
Poem. It's a very amazing poem by Karandikar. Adam tadam tad tadbaja. On a mountain there was a king. The king has 2 ears, one nose and one way, 2 legs, 2 hands, his 32 teeth in his mouth. His grandeur is out of the world. Adam tadam tad tadbaja. On a mountain there was a king.
Why suddenly today, Grandpa?
I felt energetic after drinking the tea made by you. And suddenly I saw this Karandikar's poem in front of me.
Good morning. Good morning, Papa. Do you know how good I feel looking at you smiling? Neha, listen, your neighborhood girl wanted a poem, right? She had called, right?
Aunt,
Who's it?
Papa, a small girl lives next to Neha. She had called. Neha, I cannot look at your condition. I am also a mother, and I understand that we feel so bad when we are unable to give our kids what they want.
yes, but Aunt, why to
What
lie?
else do then? Tell me, you know Pari, right? I'll speak with Dad.
What are you talking about so secretly?
Nothing, Papa. I gave you trouble, right? That's why my daughter-in-law is angry on me. I was telling her that she had got call from that small girl that she needs a poem for her competition. So we can ask that from our Papa with total authority. Isn't it, Papa?
Then what? What is this, Neha? Are you still scared of your grandfather even now? Do you still consider him a stranger?
It's not like that, Papa. She is new to our house, right? So she is a bit uncomfortable. I mean, she was saying not to disturb you.
You're just impossible, daughter-in-law. Why should you hesitate in speaking with close ones? If you care so much for her, then even that little girl will be very close to you. If she is close to you, then she's close to me too. If she told you with total authority that she wants a poem, call her, I will talk to her.
Wow. Now the fun begins.